You can't lead a woman who doesn't want to follow. But then a woman will not follow if you don't seem like you can lead.
Exactly. Women are so inclined to be independent and hyper go-getters these days.
Yeah.
Men now are underperforming because women are taught to overperform.
Yeah.
So there's this imbalance in the dynamic.
Yeah.
So the question now is for Danny, because I know for a fact na that's what makes it harder for men to lead, is
Yeah.
because ba't ko ba gagawin? Ginagawa mo na.
You can
Or,
lead.
pag ginawa ko, gagalit ka pa.
Yes.
Na parang insult to women now. Na pag
Yeah.
pinagbuksan mo ng door na parang, bakit sa tingin mo, hindi ko kaya gawin yan?
Yeah.
May ganun din eh.
Nangangagat. Diba? You can't lead a woman who doesn't want to follow.
Oo.
Right? But then a woman will not follow if you don't seem like you can lead.
Exactly.
And so it's chicken and egg.
Oo
you
nga,
know?
right.
So your job as a man is to become the best leader you can be.